welcome back to another vlog. So, well, tonight I should say, we are in town and we're going to be looking at some of the lights in the plaza, so we're taking you guys along with us. They started lighting up already, but I'm finally getting the chance to see some of them now. So we're going to be going to a couple plazas, and I think also we might go to the supermarket as well tonight, you know, just a little bit or so. But the main aim of tonight is just to see some of the lights and how the plazas kind of fit them up. So that's what we're doing. So when we reach to our first plaza, we're gonna show you them as we go along. What takes me? Yeah, them closed. Oh yeah. Okay guys, so this is first plaza stop. This is Village Plaza. Yeah, True Valley lot. Them not lock already.
Villages?
Yeah, this is Village.
This
is Village. Yes, this is
Village. Wow, that's not that. They don't look bad.
Yeah. So they have like their big Christmas tree over there. So
oh,
they have like the little hanging lights. Yeah, this is nice.
So that if most of the Jamaican them we know Jamaica, you know, so we have Village Plaza and everybody know.
Yeah, over here looks really nice. I like, yeah, subtle, not true. Yeah, this is subtle for how over here stay. Yeah, it's subtle. And they have like some wreaths there, so and they have the lights them going up there, so as well.
So people have that don't plaza so pack up a vehicle. Ain't God? The plaza them up and the whole I saw them say close. Oh, that Amars? No, Amars.
Yeah, that's it's a Amars right there, so yeah.
Amars, that village.
Yeah. Most of them are closed right now.
Collectibles is still here?
Yeah, I'm never gone now.
I thought they were closed.
The Christmas tree over here though is the highlight of it. I think this is the
what in Christmas tree?
See it up there, sir. Right there, sir.
Find something like that? So what about that the highlight cone?
Because it look nice, it tie everything in together. It's
like
a nice
blue.
tree.
Like
yeah, I like the blue and like how they string up the blue.
But the stores ain't closed. And I just after 7. Yeah, go in this coffee.
People don't pack up early. Well, maybe not right there, so there's another one at the supermarket part.
In the empty. Family can't believe say when this empty.
Courts now have a light string up.
That massive.
Over there says Twin Gates. But Twin Gates normally really have much except
no, them never allow normally have much at your time.
So this is the connecting plaza, this is mall. So right now we're passing by Starbucks.
Mall used to be the #1 plaza at your time, you know. Family, you know, can't comment all of the Jamaican them. You over here, so used to be. Watch yeah. Wow, it still look good, but the one, you know, people now go through it.
Nice,
color them again, you know.
So they have like these little
Starbucks closed?
Yeah. Like, no, Starbucks home.
So in this and that.
I close, no, I close.
Of course.
So you know, like somebody just gone on.
That means what one pizza place is so?
Yeah, long time.
Say that whole word?
Yeah.
How long now?
Since I don't want to say no, not since the year started. Maybe since like half of the year, after the year. And they have a little Christmas tree up there. So this is tropical. Over the years, tropical never really have more. You know, so this is the first year I see them decorate that big one, this big palm tree.
Open tomorrow, then say they have seal.
Yeah, go for there.
So I want going for tropical. Tropical we really are going for.
Tropical not really have much over here. Oh, the shoe store here open.
Which one?
Them always have buy one get one free. But them always have a nice little something down there so at the end. But all them do, them just string up the lights them on the palm trees really.
The money now run yet, family. Look like the money not start running. And when it all start, what the hell if it not start? Tropical, and that's why not even 8 o'clock yet. I don't know. Oh, right here is nice.
Yeah, they always fix up right here. So
yeah, right
where we're approaching now, they always fix up right here.
Lee's open, Lee's Avenue.
Yeah, Lee's Avenue. Yeah, they always fix up right here. So
and in there, so the health food store there, don't it?
Yeah, in a tropical mall.
You know, so them in there so look nice too. In there so fix up.
No, they
yeah. Them light up in there.
Really? That's cute.
But look at them clothes.
Yeah, they're closed for the night.
And it's a Sammy's.
No, this is still Lee's. Sammy's there, but then lock as you can see.
But them not do the business.
Perry.
Medical, that's some medical place. So you like them?
Over here, son, I have no light over the plaza here.
Premier, no? Them never normally have up no light. You're not got bad.
No.
Let them open up, man. No, up here, so them have already come in at the tenant place, the head place, man. You don't know. But it's been a long time I see that the place, I'm on the side still there, bro. So on Crocs place, they go to the Crocs store. I say,
Crocs store, man. Crocs, man.
you know the Crocs, man?
No, people love.
Wow, right here, so now look.
Yeah, right here is really nice. I like how they fully do all of the palm
right
trees
here,
them down.
We take away people.
And the front part, the front part of the supermarket look very nice.
Yeah,
The front part of the supermarket look very really appealing. Then look.
No, but I would see that some of our go in there. All kind of supermarket then they lock. So at the supermarket at the eye this.
Oh, you were going there? Okay. Alright.
No, it's not. It's not locked. At the other part right there, so locked. This not look bad.
Yeah. You never know how much it. Come Jordan. No, some bacon.
Which one do you want though? This is CPJ.
Maybe not like it.
At the price, may I look for tell you, darling.
How much?
Hold on.
Why are they training out?
Because they're not frozen no more. Look at it, something. This is the freezing hour.
Because that one did it cold.
That one they're hard? It's soft?
I don't want one that what something was draining on.
I can't see the price.
I don't know.
I don't even think the prices that are right there are for this.
Water.
Jamaican jerk bacon.
Why jerk bacon? No, jerk bacon.
It's regular streaky bacon, yeah. Grace. Or McDonald's. Oh, McDonald's.
They're in the bar. How much for one?
We're gonna guess. I'm gonna say a price neither. One is a Grace one. And I say Old McDonald.
Old McDonald, please?
No, that's a Butterball. Anyways. It's a Pioneer.
You know what Pioneer? Oh, which one of them sausage are they?
No, no, darling.
The one is salty?
It's very salty. Remember we bought it was really salty.
Oh, okay. Yes. Hello. These are some of our people that are watching me. That's right. Yes. You have to tell them. Tell them.
She's the best.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Anyone want milk? You don't see that guy?
No, the box.
This one like croaking lizard.
See the butter here, mommy. Country cracker.
No.
Chiffon. Alright, no.
not buy no butter in here. When you go price smart, you can't go price smart now.
No, come on, in a week early one morning.
When you're going up, you go.
Yeah. I'm sleep out here.
You can't go in. You can't go on no Friday, don't you? Friday man, now the people have cake sales, so you know the
exactly.
Them bomb rush the place. So.
Oh, I could look at the price of the ham. What them there?
Well, the other come here, she comes that was just
Side eye. At 13,000 feet.
30,000?
13. 13, see them here.
13?
This is 12, 13.
I already get that money. When they get to me, come back. I don't know.
Here.
Why the cabbage and still look so
Why?
cabbage?
See color here. Oh, these look nice. Not bad.
Yeah, let me see if they may come like cane.
Break it. It's soft.
Then mix it, you know.
We're gonna eat tomorrow. Color one lip now. We'll eat liver from.
No, I want this to make a dish, you know. That's why I wanted the bacon. And then I was thinking about smoked turkey neck with callaloo. I put back the bacon and I could get a pack of smoked turkey neck.
Yes, the turkey neck?
A dish that's smoked turkey neck with callaloo. Oh, this looks like what callaloo? Jordan, look one good callaloo.
Look at the inside. I like how the inside looks.
Yeah,
like
I was thinking of that.
Change it because you know. Mommy sent her away for you. You know, mommy?
Yeah?
Sent her away for you.
Oh?
Sent her away. Oxtail, no, smoked turkey neck.
You see how much we did? 3,092. This no look bad.
Just want take up that one in your hand.
This one?
Yeah. Reggae drumming.
Where? Which
See
one?
them
The
down
reggae
there.
drum?
So you have the jumbo and no, see the other one them there.
This?
Yeah, that one or you know, pick up that one there, no?
Why not?
Okay, you want that one?
Here.
Ring off my cellular. Yeah, I thought in your cracks, my friend, I never see.
3,500.
Yeah, I thought in your cracks, I never see.
Alright.
How much fee? 1,160.
What?
1,160. Yeah, bye.
So, family, so they have frozen akis. Now you're getting aki frozen.
It's par cooked.
Yeah, it's par cooked. And this is what it says. Easy picking par cooked aki. It says $1,960. I'm always telling you. Once you see the white tag, it's plus tax. So, at least aki are run. And some people love aki.
Lamb, that's a lamb rack
It's a
bone.
lamb rack bone, but that not say to be 9,500 and stuff.
Lamb is expensive though.
Yeah, lamb bone. Oh, at this then you can get a little chops then.
Yeah.
Bad man. How about this?
So you get lamb chops from, I think. I'm going to say you get lamb chops.
I like it.